Calculating the electrical load for an existing school building involves several steps to ensure accurate assessment for submission to the local utility company. Firstly, you will want to gather the essential building information. This includes the building size, specified as 7,800 square feet, and the occupancy type, which is a school. Secondly, calculate the individual load components. For lighting, use 3 watts per square foot multiplied by a 1.25 diversity factor. This yields 23,400 watts. For receptacles, calculate based on 180 volt amps each, assuming 2 receptacles per 100 square feet. This gives you 15,600 volt amps. For kitchen counter circuits, use 1500 watts per circuit, assuming 4 circuits, resulting in 6,000 watts. For larger appliances, sum up the nameplate ratings for all appliances, which comes out to be 10,000 watts. Thirdly, calculate the total demand. Add up all the individual load components. The lighting load is 23,400 watts. The receptacle load is 15,600 volt amps, which converts to 15,600 watts by dividing by a power factor of 1. The kitchen counter circuits contribute 6,000 watts, and the larger appliances add 10,000 watts. This results in a total demand of 55,000 watts. Fourthly, you would normally apply diversity factors. NEC Table 220.14 allows for diversity factors for certain types of loads, however diversity factors are not applicable to school buildings. Therefore, the total calculated demand remains at 55,000 watts. Fifthly, apply a demand factor for the air conditioning load. NEC Section 220.43 requires that the demand on alternating current systems be increased by 125%. The adjusted demand is calculated as 55,000 watts multiplied by 1.25, which equals 68,750 watts. Finally, report the calculated demand of 68,750 watts to the local utility company for their review and approval. Therefore, the total demand is 68,750 watts. This methodology ensures compliance with NEC standards and provides an accurate assessment of the electrical load for the school building. By following these steps meticulously, you can confidently submit the load calculation to the utility company. This comprehensive approach covers all significant electrical demands within the building and accounts for the specific requirements outlined in the National Electrical Code.